Hello, welcome back to Alkaline TV. This is Douglas Dennis, the Alkaline Chef. Today we're making two different types of wrap. One of them is for a meal and one of them is for dessert. Check this out. Look good? Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if this is your kind of thing. If you've been dying for alkaline vegan wraps but can't find any type of wrap or tortilla that's actually made out of approved ingredients, these ones will do the trick. These wraps are only made out of coconut meat and coconut water, and we're going to be loading them up kind of like a kebab or shawarma. Now this is a mushroom mix, and we bake this with some spices, sea salt, cayenne, a little bit of clove, onions. This is a hemp seed ranch sauce made with dill, key lime, sea salt. You can use coconut cream or blended hemp seeds. And this is a mix of olives, cucumber, plum tomato. This is going to be flavor packed. And one more thing, we made a chickpea salad, and this has the hemp mayo in it along with the seasonings, onion powder. There was onion powder in that mushroom mixture as well. Doesn't this look amazing? If you have questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Now these wraps are a little bit strange. They're kind of tough, but they do end up working really, really well if you're careful with them. They are a little bit expensive, but at least you don't have to eat wheat. This one is loaded up pretty full, but it still worked out. And that was baby kale, by the way. Now that we've wrapped it carefully, just pop it in the skillet and brown it on each side. Cast iron is recommended. Look at that. Before we found these, I hadn't had a wrap in 2 years. Sometimes it's nice to make a burrito or a wrap. We also have another video with Mexican-inspired food. So if you want burrito recipe, check that one out for sure. This one is nice and fresh with the cucumbers. I don't always like cucumber, but if it's packed with flavor and really spicy, then a cucumber is good to help bring down the spice level. And it makes you feel really good to eat it. What do you think? Now the next recipe is going to be more of a sweet wrap. And thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the subscribers, and I appreciate all your comments recently. Thank you so much. So this one is a sweet wrap, and this is so good. And the base of it was just a handmade or homemade almond butter, which almonds have been taken off of Dr. Sebi's list because they're usually not even almonds. They're usually peach pits, the ones that you see in the stores, and they're not good quality. But if you make it yourself, it'll be good. And then all the rest of it had was date syrup and strawberries, and boom, it's good enough. Now if you want to go alkaline, I do have a 12-week program. There's a link in the bottom of the description, and I'll see you in the next video.